Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hans Kitchen and Review. Today I'm gonna share with you chicken pizza or chicken barbecue pizza as you guys want to tell. So first I take a bowl, I poured yeast and salt and some warm water. Then I active my yeast 5 minutes to rest. Then I add flour, salt. Today I'm gonna ready big pizza large size, that's why I add so much flour. Then I mixed my flour with yeast. I also add warm water to mix it. Then I mixed my dough. I also add oil. Then I mixed it and keep aside for 1 hour. Then I ready my sauce. First I take barbecue sauce and then I take pizza sauce. Then I add tomato sauce. Then I mixed it very well, all ingredients. Then I take a pan, I poured some butter. Then I add my chicken, which is I already marinate it with garlic and ginger paste, salt and black pepper. Then I add red chili, which is I crushed. Then I fry it 7 minutes. Look at the dough. My dough is already active. Then I take my plate. I add some flour and I ready for the dough to pizza. I also cut it fork. Then I add my sauce, which is I already ready it to add pizza. This is barbecue chicken pizza, that's why I add barbecue sauce also. Then I add some cheese. I take 2 types of cheese. Then I mixed my all 2 types of cheese. Then I add it. I also add capsicum. I take 3 types of capsicum, yellow, red and green. Then I add my chicken. Toppings is your choice. I like cheese, that's why I fold 2 layer to cheese. Then I go to the oven. I also add some chili flakes. Then I bake it 180 degrees Celsius 30 minutes. Then look at my pizza is ready for it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and follow my channel. Assalamualaikum.